BR tax code explained simply. BR is a tax code that stands for basic rate. If your payslip shows BR, it means all of your income from that employment is being taxed at 20%. Crucially, no personal allowance is being applied, which means tax is deducted from every single pound you earn from that source. Your personal allowance, the amount you can earn tax-free each year, can only be used against one source of income at a time. If you have a second job or a second pension, HMRC cannot apply your allowance to both. The BR code is applied to the second source, so that tax is collected correctly without using the allowance twice. BR is most commonly applied when you start a second job without providing a P45 or starter checklist, when you have two pensions in payment at the same time, when you return to work after a break without the correct paperwork, or when HMRC does not yet have enough information to issue a more specific code. With a standard code like 1257L, your first £12,570 is completely tax-free. With a BR code, there is no tax-free amount at all. Every pound you earn from that employment is taxed at 20%, which can make the deduction feel much larger than usual. Here is an example. If you earn £500 a month from a second job, and your tax code for that job is BR, you pay 20% on the full £500. That is £100 in tax. There is no threshold, no allowance, and no adjustment. 20% from pound 1. This is useful to know when you start a second job and want to understand why more tax is being taken. When BR appears on your payslip and you are not sure what it means, or when you have more than one source of income and want to understand how tax works across both. If a BR code appears on your main or only job, this is almost certainly an error. Contact HMRC through your personal tax account at gov.uk or by phone to get the correct code issued. The sooner you act, the sooner any overpayment can be corrected. You can check your current tax code and manage your tax details through your personal tax account at gov.uk. If a BR code has been applied in error, HMRC can issue a new code to your employer, usually within a few days. A common mistake is assuming the BR deduction is correct and doing nothing. If BR is on your main job, it is almost certainly wrong. Even if correctly applied to a second job, check your overall tax position at the end of the year to make sure you have not overpaid. To recap, BR means basic rate, 20% tax on all income from that source with no personal allowance. Usually correct for a second job but almost certainly wrong if it appears on your main job. Check and correct it at gov.uk. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more everyday money explained simply.